They gon' love me for my ambition.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be talking about Creme of Nature products, which I don't really talk about much on my channel, but Curlbox got a box for $15 full of a whole bunch of Creme of Nature products, so I had to hop on that real quick and pick up a few things and achieve this twist out. So let's just get right into it. So I just gotta reiterate for those that be paying close attention to things I say in my videos. But so I have a Curlbox. I do. However, it's not a subscription, it's a non-subscription box. And remember when I said that Curlbox's non-subscription boxes tend to be a little bit better, in my opinion, than the subscription box. So, even though I don't really care, let me just shut up. So, the non-subscription box that I got is the Creme of Nature one, but I only got the whole box for $15 for one product. Okay, I know, but let me just show you what I got. So the curling jelly, which I'm not going to be using today. The Pure Honey Twist and Hold Defining Custard. This is the reason why I got this whole box. Strengthening hair mask. It has like banana in it. Smooth and frizz control with avocado. And the intense hydration treatment with yogurt. Edge control. I'm going to go back in my video real quick and see if I already tried the extra firm hold one. I don't think I did, but I think I did at the same time. I don't know. But I'm not going to be using these hair masks for a couple different reasons. One, because the little pouches is not enough for my hair. Okay, these are super small. And the ingredients is not my favorite for my deep conditioners now. And I won't be using the curling jelly because I'm not doing wash and go. And I just don't think this is best for a twist out, so I'm just not even going to use this either. So like I said, I primarily got this whole box for one product because I could not find this. And y'all know I love me a good custard. And it says twist and hold. Yes, it does have coconut oil in it, but it's not the first or second or third ingredient. So the first 5 ingredients is agua, water, propylene glycol, which I don't really care for, but it's fine, sunflower oil, and PVP. So hopefully this doesn't flake. Let me go quickly see if I did review this one already, because if I did, then I won't even open this. So let me... Okay, so I'm taking a look at my video, and the first edge control video I did feature the Creme of Nature Argan Oil one. This one is new and improved formula. So it is, I guess, going to be different from what I reviewed in my first edge control video. So I will try this. So it says that it defines and adds shine to the driest curls, moisturizes and tames frizz, provides long-lasting soft hold, fights curl shrinkage. So don't tell me you have a soft hold when you say twist and hold in the front. Okay, that's not how this works, but alright. So it's a typical custard consistency. Okay, she thick. Nice, perfect. Love consistencies like that. It's gliding on very nicely with my leave-in conditioner. Like I said, I use the Camille Rose Honey leave-in conditioner. Look at this. Look at my curls. That's popping. Okay. So this is definitely, I don't think it would give me a hold for wash and go. I love the heaviness of this custard. It's, as you saw, I can't turn it over. So it's not a watery custard whatsoever. So that is already something I really like. Ooh, it weighted my curls down. Oh my god, I love when that happens. It makes me the most happy. So that means this would be a bomb braid out. Should I do a braid out? No, ma'am. Okay, nope. I thought about it though. Now we're gonna try the new bougie and improved formula for this extra firm hold edge control and see. Oh goodness, I don't have an edge brush on me, so we're just gonna smooth in my edges with my finger, like on this side. Doesn't feel as watery as the other one. It smells good. I love the Creme of Nature Argan Oil line. It smells so freaking good. Okay, it feels fine going back like that, but we'll see. No, I don't trust easily. Okay, so you know what, right off the bat, this consistency feels different from the one I reviewed in the first Edge Control Challenge video. Alright y'all, next morning, and I haven't taken a peek. I'm ashy per usual. I think this is gonna be a norm. Embarrassing. Anyways, feels like it has some hold, but then again it don't. So I'm just gonna undo this. You know, I didn't really expect it to stay, to be completely honest with you. But it feels okay. My soups are kind of gone though. And I think it did say soft hold, right? If I'm not mistaken. I really want to like this though, like really bad. Because it's the perfect consistency. Ooh. I will say though, my hair feels amazingly soft. Like, very, very hydrated. And that is what honey does to your hair. So, well, my hair. So far, I don't feel the hold. I'm a little sad about that. Maybe it was because of the leave-in conditioner being honey as well. So just like, I guess made my hair too soft. So I just want to show you what it looks like before I fluff my hair. I'm getting a little bit of an elongation that I usually don't get with my twist outs, which I'm very impressed about. So the back part of my hair is more fluffy. It doesn't have a cast on it. But as I went to the front of my hair, it has more of a cast and more of a hold. So I don't know if it's because I applied more to the front by accident or subconsciously and not thinking about it, I did. Or if it's because the front was already dried out and I didn't apply as much water as I did in the back. I don't know. I would have to play around with it. But I'm going to go ahead and fluff my hair. Apply more edge control. Okay, so I'm back and I fluffed my hair as much as I'm going to do, because I don't put heat to my hair or anything. I redid my edges, so most naturally as you reapply edge control over and over, it's going to kind of flake up and get white. So over here, I have to wipe it a little bit, but over here we're starting to get white, and it's holding. It's holding much better than the original edge control that I tried in the part 1 video. So if you like Creme of Nature and it's accessible to you, try the extra firm hold one, because that's not bad. I'm actually not mad at it at all. Now on to the twist and hold defining custard. Like I was saying throughout the video, I am in love with the consistency of this product. I love how it gave me hang time. I love the moisture that it gave me. Again, I used my Creme of Nature honey leave-in conditioner, so honey on top of honey was like such a moisturizing combination. Would I try it with something else? Yes, because my hair feels very fluffy and light. It is defined, but it could be a little bit more defined in my opinion. It is missing something. My ends are a little bit, you know, on the softer side at the back. The front doesn't look bad at all. I actually really like the front. So I think my hair is just too soft and too moisturized. Yes, that can be a thing. Let me know your thoughts below. Do you like this twist out? Have you tried this defining cream before? Let me know your thoughts and concerns and questions and all that jazz. And per usual, I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye guys.